Jai Shri Radhe Krishna to all, behalf of KPRC, and welcome you all on my YouTube channel Harshika Gupta 2059. Today's topic is, does sitting cause back pain? Discover the science behind this common belief in our new evidence-based video lecture, available now on our YouTube channel.
If sitting inherently caused back pain, every office worker would suffer from it, but that is not the case. We're breaking down the myths surrounding musculoskeletal health to help you separate fear from fact. Have you heard that sitting is the new smoking, or that it destroys your spine? Let's examine these common statements to see what the research actually says. This video covers the full scope of the topic, from global epidemiology and key risk factors to the biomechanical evidence, providing you with clinic-ready advice. With over 500 million working-age adults in India, many of whom spend hours seated, sedentary habits are becoming a major focus for productivity and health. While back pain is widespread, it is not a guaranteed outcome of a desk job. Globally, low back pain is a leading cause of disability. It is projected to rise as sedentary lifestyles and aging populations increase. Sedentary behavior includes any seated or reclining activity performed at low energy expenditure levels. Contrary to myth, evidence does not suggest that ordinary sitting permanently damages the spine in healthy people. The spine is designed to tolerate varied loads. Issues typically arise only when sitting is prolonged, static, and combined with other risk factors. It is important to distinguish association from causation. Many people sit for long hours without pain, while active individuals can still develop it. Back pain is complex and multifactorial. It cannot be attributed to just one cause. Pain is best understood through the biopsychosocial model, involving biological, psychological, and social factors. There is no single perfect posture. The primary concern is remaining in one position for too long. Let's correct 3 common beliefs. First, the healthiest posture is your next one. Second, standing desks alone do not eliminate pain. Third, occasional leg crossing is not proven to cause permanent pelvic misalignment. For those at risk, we recommend changing positions every 30 to 60 minutes, walking hourly, and strengthening your muscles. Your spine is strong, adaptable, and designed for movement, not fear. Movement is medicine. Simple, evidence-based exercises, including thoracic extensions and glute bridges, can help you maintain a healthy, pain-free back. Follow these practical tips. Keep your monitor at eye level, ensure your feet are flat, and use a chair with lumbar support. Small, consistent changes in your daily habits make a big difference. To summarize, sitting is not inherently dangerous. Movement is more important than achieving the perfect posture. Trust your body, stay active, and build strength for a healthier tomorrow. Thank you for watching. For more expert guidance, visit the Krishan Physiotherapy and Rehabilitation Center.